welcome back to another vlog. And today we are at My Way. This is my first time coming down here. We out here.
So serious, bro.
I don't know. I don't know.
This whole vlog is like, well, we are out here. We are walking down the grass. Like, bro,
I
so serious.
don't know how to loosen up yet.
Bro,
I'm still working on it. But we out here. I don't think I'm fun.
Okay, I'm not funny.
I don't think I'm fun yet.
Alright, man, I gotta run with it.
My first time, we going crazy. HellCat, red eye. Look at the drone though. They go crazy.
You straight, Evo?
Like it's crazy. My boy Jay with the purples on. So crazy, John. My man's just going crazy. You don't look impressed.
Real quick. I have a couple cameramen in the middle.
What you chose in life, you must ain't never.
I need you to hold that. Alright, we got a cameraman in here. I need you to hold it tight on him a couple times, man. Damn it right here, boy. This is your job.
Look at this up.
AT.
Come on, how was it, man?
I'm about to throw up, bro. It's so hot.
Yeah, bro. How was it?
Woo, man.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
So everybody lined up right now. Contenders. Everybody sliding. We out here at Imway. No, we're not at Imway. We're at Milan. Everybody sliding. Bro, this thing is crazy. Hey, why you here, buddy? Going crazy. Back out there, Matt.
Fuck, my shit ain't that. It was on like 10% when I was out there.
Oh boy, went crazy. Y'all did a good job though, no cap. Oh, that's what. It's the goddamn. I think about to swing it. 392.
Hey, Mr. Goddamn is in the car. Hey, Hey, we about to see if Mr. Goddamnit gets slain.
There you go, talk some shit.
Hey, T, talk to him.
That's all he got. God damn it.
Hey, T, you might have to show him something.
I'm just saying, you better walk that bitch in like
It's going too slow, T.
okay. Cameraman, hands up. We got one coming in hot.
I need to see both ways.
Next 500, it's about 450. Nearly 300K, forget the 560. Brand new Rolls truck, I don't even drive real. Flexing with 100K, man, that shit sounds silly.
That's that trick mode shit. I ain't gonna lie. Watch how he go small. He go small. So, hey, he in the zone right now. I think so. I want to, so I want him to pick me up too, nigga. Come on! Trick mode is officially active. Please get money.
Insane, bro. You going crazy? That's how you slide that thing. The pink Camaro out there. Yo, I would not want to be out there. That boy sounded healthy, sticky. That boy crazy. How you feel, man?
I'm dying right now.
Bro, y'all, these boys almost got their life taken away. Again.
Bro, why? Crown Victorian, dog. Imagine dying to an old ass police interceptor. Come on, bro.
No cap. Okay, so that's the end of this video. We're gonna wrap it up here. Like, comment, subscribe. These little guys is riding. I had a good time. Shout out to Mr. Goddamnit. It was fun.